Hello, beautiful people. After last week, I really haven't filmed at all because I just wanted to chill, enjoy the trip, and today we're picking back up because my dad just got here and Jeff, it's his last day. So we're gonna vlog all about it.
First order of business, coffee. Take a shake it today. Right over there where I got stopped by the police for having striped pants. The police were harassing me.
In 1970.
In 1970.
What are you shooting with today?
So we got the Osmo One and it's the iPhone X. Pretty nice combo.
And the Insta360.
That's right, baby.
Wow. How does that thing work?
I have no idea. So we have 280-degree lenses here, and basically it stitches out the camera body and the pole because it's out of the field of view. So it gives you a whole 360-degree of the entire world. That's how you can do tiny planets, inverted, and all kinds of more interesting things.
And here's Zach, always shooting vertical, not allowing me to use any of the footage. Because he's all about Instagram.
Woo, look at that. Look at that golden hour. Woo!
We're gonna have champagne and celebrate Jeff's going away. Looking over the Danube, beautiful Matthias Church. Jeff with a stick. Looking over the Rush. Beautiful, beautiful. You want to eat or you want to drink?
Probably drink.
This is good champagne.
Right?
Good choice.
Thank you.
This is
I was
Duval.
inspired by you.
Let the drinking begin.
My parents left Hungary in 1951 from the United States. They lived in 1961 to 1967. And then we came back to Europe. Bought a car in Frankfurt, go through Austria, Germany, Austria, came to Hungary. From Hungary, we went down to Serbia. First time my mother met my in-laws. First time we met my in-laws. The same in-laws that they met the other day. And every place along the line, we were with people that were the culture. I got to know Hungary not from a standpoint of how nice the buildings are.
Right.
I got a standpoint that plus we moved here. For 4 years we moved here. And those things that irritated us before we moved here became the things we missed at the time we were leaving.
Hey, check it out. That's where we partied till 4 a.m. the other night.
It looks different in the daytime.
It's not you. Look out there, Dad, real quick. Just look out. No.
Oh.
Sit down. Keep looking at him. No, Dad.
Check out the view.
Check out the view.
Point.
Check out the view.
You guys are so funny. You film everything. It's good.
Oh, it's a video. Here. Cheers.
I can shake it up. They were empty, but they're still good stuff.